One of the arguments that you'll see against the Bible, and this one's kind of popular on TikTok right now. It's like the person, they're sitting there. Do you really think that Mark, Luke, and John were names of Middle Eastern men in the first century? No, I don't think that. I don't think that was their name because it's a transliteration. His name was Marcos, which is a very common name in the first century in the Greek world. Marcos was a name. It's not, we just transliterated it to Mark because it makes sense in English. Like these names, Jesus isn't Jesus, it's Iesus in the Greek, which is even a translation of a Hebrew name. Like we have transliterations. It doesn't make it fake. It's just so we can understand it. What they actually done, historical researchers have gone back and they've researched like death records in the ancient world. Like Jewish people were really good at when someone died and the body had decomposed, they would put all the bones into a bone box and put their name and dates on it. And they went back and guess what they found? All the names that are in the New Testament correlate back to the dates that they were written. Like that was a name that people would have had.